In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Studio recipes to create lecture slides for students based on a textbook source in NotebookLM. Once you have installed and started using the NotebookOS Chrome extension, the interface in the Studio panel will look like this. The question is, why should we use Studio recipes if we can already create artifacts directly inside NotebookLM? For example, if we want to create lecture slides from an existing source, we can choose Slide Deck. Select one of the two formats provided by NotebookLM. Choose the language, set the length, and write a prompt. The problem is at the prompt writing step. We often tend to write relatively short prompts, and this can make the output quality quite hit or miss. It also depends heavily on the capability of the Gemini model behind NotebookLM. Sometimes, we get a very good slide deck, but other times, we receive a slide deck that requires a lot of manual editing. When using Studio recipes, we can control the level of detail in the prompt much better. In this example, we will choose Presentation as the artifact, and the recipe we are aiming for is Teaching Slide Deck. You can also save your own recipe if you want. Next, you choose the language and the audience, as well as the theme and length. From my experience, when the length is under 20 slides, Studio recipes can help you control the exact number of slides very well. You can also adjust the color palette if you want. Now, choose Review and Edit Prompt before generating. NotebookOS will activate Gemini to create a detailed prompt for generating the slide deck, based on the options we selected. Make sure to review the prompt carefully before generating the slides. This is one of the key points that allows you to fully control the content of your presentation. As you can see, the prompt describes the content of each slide in detail. This helps you control the slide count more accurately, while also helping you control the content and logical flow of the presentation. For academic slides, the default prompt asks for reference information and abbreviations on each slide, except for the first slide and the final slide. After reviewing the prompt and making sure everything looks good, click Generate. NotebookOS will automatically trigger the slide deck generation process. Now, let's take a look at the slide deck created natively by NotebookLM. This is a very good slide deck with 15 slides. Now, let's look at the slide deck created with Studio recipes. As you can see, NotebookLM created exactly 17 slides, just as the original prompt requested. And with this teaching slide deck format, there are slides in the middle of the presentation that help check students' understanding and application of the content. You can also fully adjust the content of each slide during the prompt review step before generation. So, as you can see, Studio recipes helps you control the content and format much better when creating different types of artifacts. Instead of relying on a short prompt and hoping for a good result, Studio recipes gives you a more structured way to guide NotebookLM toward the exact material you want to create.